Challenge ako nung kapatid ko, 16,000 pesos daw whoever gets the best physique by the end of March. So sabi ko sa kanya, sige no, baka nakakalimutan niya ako ang naunang sperm. Microscopic palang panalo na ako, boy. Baka kala niya hindi ko sineseryoso, pero ever since then, I started training. Wala akong prior experience when it comes to running, but this was my second 5-kilometer run. And today, I learned wag kang kakanta ng Ariana Grande habang tumatakbo. Alam mo kung bakit? Hindi ako nakahinga, be. Bigla akong nagsuka. We had 2 more kilometers to go, so we didn't stop there. We kept running, pero this lingering feeling of wanting to puke was still there, so hindi ko talaga mapigilan. Sumuka ulit ako.
For your vlog, say hi.
The last kilometer was so bad. Wala akong video, pero pinagtitinginan na kami ng mga tao. I got a side cramp and sumisigaw na ako sa sakit, but I kept on running. Wala akong prior experience when it comes to running, so here's me contemplating if worth it ba talaga yung 16,000. Meron akong 30 minutes bago mag-workout ulit, so pinakain nila ako ng sugar and salt. After nun, balik agad kami sa workout. We did dead hangs, and honestly, nararamdaman ko na yung pagod sa legs ko. Paboritong part ko yung kwentuhan in between sets. After a few minute break, nag-warm up ako ng likod ko kasi we're gonna see if I can do my first pull-up. Newsflash, hindi ko pa kaya, pero ang ganda ng likod ko dyan, though. Sexy! After nun, I did 5 sets, 5 reps, 20 pounds ng chest press. This was honestly so scary. Feeling ko malalaglag sa mukha ko yung dumbbells. Mice got us some bread. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung bibili niya. So, binili niya na lang lahat. That's so cute. Thank you, Mice. If you guys didn't know, Mice is crazy strong. She can do 6 of these weighted pull-ups. Tapos, Alice can even carry Mice. After I finished my last set ng chest press, nagdiretso kami sa pull-ups. Since hindi ko pa nga kaya, I did assisted muna. Guys, habang ini-edit ko yung video, nararamdaman ko ulit yung pagod. Ang dami kong ginawa. Yung motivation ko to keep going, hindi 16,000. Yung motivation ko is para matalo si Moti. Pagkatapos ko mag-core workout, I had a 20-minute break, so pinapanood ko si Mice.
Alex, come on.
Akala ko tapos na dun yung workout ko, but I had to do 10 more climbs on the board. I was even negotiating kay Ala. Sabi ko, 5 na lang kasi may plyometrics pa. But no, I had to do all 10. 10 climbs ginawa ko. Even an endurance climb. I was so dead after this one. This was fun, pero my everything was hurting. My fingers, my calves, my back, my everything. Tapos I did plyometrics pa, wala na, hindi ko na kaya. After neto, yung motivation ko, hindi na si Moti, sinigang. Sinigang na yung motivation ko neto. Sobrang sakit ng legs ko, hindi ko alam kung paano pa ako makakalakad after neto. And finally, the pain is over. I get to wash up, and naghilamos pa nga ako dito because my face was so sweaty, it was shining, shimmering, splendid. Sobrang pagod na ako, and Mice was purposely annoying me, so kala niya hindi ako sasabak. Syempre, sumabak ako, no? I'm all freshened up and I'm ready for that sinigang na may kasamang scallops. Anchalap, anchalap! This is not an appropriate meal, especially after a workout like that. Pero I do not care. Naubos na yung self-discipline ko within the first 4 hours or 6 hours of the day. Anyways, who do you guys think will win this challenge? Ako or si Moti? Syempre ako, diba? Comment down below.